Hello guys, hello my friends from Gulf. The current situation is now looks like this. It's raining, too much raining guys. Enjoy the video, enjoy the video. And here in Gulf, in Qatar, we are in Qatar. So today, my friend, there is a lot of blessings for this country because it's taking around some years without raining, and when it's raining once like this, you found on the ground now everyone is celebrating, and there is also on the ground some of them are crying because of what? You know what, guys? From in Gulf, there is also some building that are not roofed in the top of this building, and according to how the situation is coming from Gulf, there's also some roads, yeah, are not are not people are stranded on the roads, yeah, like there is too much water in the roads, yeah, because like according to how I'm coming from my location where I'm working, there is some roads are broke, yeah. So like there's also the video I do it, but this video I will show you on the short videos. If you can go to my YouTube channel, you can check short videos and watch this short video according to how situation is going on in Gulf, yeah. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to other people. And guys, according to how on the ground situation now is like this, people are stranded like outside, all of people are inside, like there's also some vehicle are not going because of too much raining. Guys, enjoy my video, and guys, please subscribe and share my channel. My friends, there is some malls in Gulf now. They are not operating because of what? Because of too much water. Yeah, there is some malls. I have my friend working in the malls. So this guy of my friend is calling me, and this guy is just telling me, you know what? In my location where I'm working, my friend, already we are closed everything. Now, like, you are now stranded here. Everyone now is trying to push water outside, yeah? Drainage of water not moving, yeah, you see? Like, everything is, it's worse, and it's worse, and it's worse. Kindly please go on my YouTube channel on short videos. Check these videos, yeah? How people are stranded outside here, guys. And according to how situation is now at this time in Gulf, my friend, like, wow, wow. So like today, you know, here people are working in different shifts. So like for those who are working 8 hours and for those who are working 12 hours, like there is people also are stranded on the road coming to take over the shift. But today, guys, wow, it's a worse and worse. Like from morning I started to work on morning 7, and at this time it's now 9, yeah, without night shift to come to take over the duty. But from here, like, it's worse because of traffic jam on the road. People are stranded, and there is also some roads are not moving. So this is now the current situation in Gulf, guys. Enjoy my video until the end, and for those who are watching my channel, please guys, support me, my friends. Enjoy the video. short videos. Just watch, you see what is going on in Gulf. There is amazing content there, and for those who are supporting me, I appreciate and thank you for watching my video until the end. And amazing guys for your support. For really, I appreciate for coming to watch me, and I'm appreciating for those who also are subscribing to my channel. And also I'm saying thank you guys for this, yeah, this opportunity. Thank you guys, bye bye.